In Antarctica, the winds can get so fast you have to stay inside.
But I might change my mind.
I had no clue tigers could jump this high.
Are you ready? Yes.
Why bros always the best. This guy made a band from things they found and somehow it sounds really cool. Trying to make food with a cow always fails. He was just trying to help them, but ended up making it almost impossible. If it wasn't caught on camera, no one would have believed it. This guy stacks cups like it's nothing. This is what sea is like at night, and it's totally scary. Imagine trying to swim in there. This kid lost the water battle. A guy remade Terminator on a $0 budget and it's a close replica.